Equilibrium stage, which happens during the chemical reaction. Now, what is the equilibrium stage? Very quickly, I'll summarize. Now, as we know that when we take red hot iron and we allow it to react with steam, we get triferrate tetroxide, which is a reversible reaction. Means from triferrate tetroxide, we can still get back our red hot iron. So, in such reversible reaction, what happens? As the reaction starts, the rate of forward reaction is higher, its speed is higher than the backward reaction. Means the reactant will start continuously changing into products, but the reverse process will be slow. After some time, we will find that there will be a time when the backward reaction and the forward reaction comes to an equal level, the speed becomes equal. Now, why this happens? Because now the reactant and the product are just the midway. And after a few seconds of the continuation of the chemical reaction, the backward reaction, the speed of the backward reaction increases, where the speed of the forward reaction becomes slow. Because now most of the product has been formed, and now the reverse reaction is taking place faster, because there is no much reactant left to change it into products. Only the product is left to go back to the reactant. So the midway, when there is an equal speed between the forward and the backward reaction, is called the equilibrium stage in a chemical reaction.